Forstner bits are specialized drill bits, the purpose of which is to drill clean, flat-bottomed holes. In this video, we'll be exploring the Fisch wave cutter set of Forstner bits. Forstner bits are the go-to tool when precise, flat-bottomed, overlapping, angled, or holes on the edge of a workpiece are needed. The rims on Forstner bits can come in a few varieties. That's sawtooth, continuous, and the wave cutter. Sawtooth rims provide better heat reduction, but not as much hole guidance, whereas continuous rims provide superior hole guidance, but not as much heat reduction. So the wave cutter is a combination of the best aspects of those two other rims. So you get some heat reduction from the wavy rim as well as hole guidance from the continuous edge. So it's better to use Forstner bits at a lower RPM because they can heat up at higher RPMs. And you need to take time to let the hole clear and make sure you're not letting that heat build up too much on the edge. With the precise, clean holes that a Forstner bit can make, they're essential for hardware installation tasks like drilling cup holes for Euro-style cabinet hinges. They're also indispensable for creating clean access holes for hardware used with breakdown furniture components and for tight joint fasteners. Forstner bits can also assist with efficient and accurate stock removal for hogging out mortises, where the overlapping series of holes is easily done on a drill press. A center spur on the bit gets you started accurately, even when drilling with a handheld drill. On a drill press, your accuracy is enhanced. Fisch fabricates these bits by installing a forged cutting head onto a CNC milled shaft. Machined to exacting tolerances, these bits cut more cleanly than budget bits, hold their sharpness longer, and can be sharpened repeatedly to extend their service life considerably. The bits in this 16-piece set range from 1/4 inch to 2 1/8 inch, and in this 7-piece set range from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, and come in a hinged wooden box with fitted slots for each bit. Make sure to check out these and other great tools at highlandwoodworking.com.